So we all know the stock horn just sucks. And I was able to buy Screaming Banshee, the mini Banshee, for two of my bikes. And I'll show you how easy it is for the Ducati Panigale V4R. This is a 2020 V4R. If you notice, that's where the stock horn placement is. That's where I put the Screaming Banshee. And it's easy. Plug and play. So, testing time. Get the key in. And this thing is super long. There you go. Let's hear the other one. That's the Honda VFR. And again, installation is super sweet, easy. Plug and play. Yeah, you should be able to see this right there. That's where the horn module is. Super sweet, simple installation. Not even starting the bike, and there you go. Working on getting $50 discount on hopefully getting Screaming Banshee for my third bike, and once I do that, I'll do another review with all three bikes. Thank you for watching.